My name is Mark Smith. I am a retired industrial technology teacher with a view towards the wood industry, and one of the softwares that I use pretty heavily is Microvellum. What is Microvellum? It is a CAD-based program that allows you to do nested-based manufacturing, and that employs the use of CNC technology and things like that. One of the problems that all teachers have is, how do I teach myself to do this? Because I have to be ahead of the kids. And that's not always easy, because not all software companies have a tutorial curriculum that is easy to understand. Usually they just have this big thick reference book, and that's not as helpful as it might seem. And so Microvellum has developed a bunch of videos that teachers can use, where you can literally teach yourself how to use the software. Does that mean you might have to make a phone call, might have to send an email? Yeah, you probably might. But these videos, I've been through them myself, and they are fantastic. They've made learning how to do the things in Microvellum so easy.